Are you over 40? Do you have a story to tell? Are you on a mission to make the world a better place? Perhaps you have a hobby or a passion that you've had for multiple decades. Maybe you are starting a new journey. Maybe you've thought about building a personal brand. Maybe you've thought about making a little bit of money from your personal brand. Well, good news, folks. I want to talk to you, the person that is over 40, that is yet to push play or push record. I want to give you some encouragement and tell you that you can do it. And again, folks, I want to shout out my boy, Omar El Takari, who had me on his wonderful broadcast the other day where we talked about how to do it. In fact, I'll leave a link below to Omar's interview. It says, are you over 40? Here's how to build your personal brand. Start now. Well, folks, if you don't know who I am, my name is Michael Zuber. I am the creator of a brand called One Rental at a Time. The brand today is a YouTube channel, books, courses, events, swag. It is quite a lot. But a couple of things that I want you to understand. I started from nothing. I have no team. I have no employees. I do not do any marketing. I frankly don't even edit my videos. I've created an Amazon bestseller. I have created a community in school. I've done a lot of things under the brand of One Rental at a Time. But I want to tell you how you can do and repeat what I did. Again, no employees, no editing, and as of to date, made over 7 figures with the brand One Rental at a Time. We will get into those details in a minute. If you want to see some statistics to back up my claim, well, here you go. We have now had 10 million or nearly 10 million, 9.9 million podcast listens. We have 20 million YouTube views. Again, we have produced a best-selling, self-published book on Amazon. We have had a school community consistently ranked in the top 5 for real estate investing. We have a Facebook group with over 2,000 members, 3,000 folks in Teachable. We have hosted multiple in-person events. So again, I come to you as someone who has done what I think you want to do. So again, I want to give you step by step how you can do it today, spending no money and just using what you have at your disposal. So here is how I did it. Step 1. I had to choose chasing impact over clicks. Now, in the beginning, when I made this choice, it was really easy for me to do, and I will acknowledge that. I was already financially free, which means my bills were paid. So I wanted to come on a mission to create and establish something that would outlive me by 50 years. That anchor in 2018 has not changed. I come back to you every day on YouTube. I do live streams in school. I throw events in Vegas because I'm trying to create something, one rental at a time, that will outlive me by 50 years. So again, if you're over 40 and you have the financial backing, I strongly suggest you chase impact. It will build slower, but it will be so much more rewarding. And we will get into that in a minute. Number 2, a lot of you over 40 fall into the trap of perfection. I did not. You can go back and watch some of my early videos and realize I have never edited my videos. In fact, what I'm doing right now is I'm recording this live on StreamYard, and I will publish it as is. If I mess up, if I make a mistake, doesn't matter. I believe in authenticity and realness, mistakes and all. And again, I want to encourage you, if you are over 40 and you have a mission, you have a story, you have a hobby, you have a passion, share it with the world mistakes and all. It is okay. The next thing you should really realize, folks, and why you should not worry about perfection in the beginning is no one's going to watch them. No one's going to watch them. So who cares? What you need to do in the beginning is practice, practice, practice. You need reps. You need to stare at this camera. You need to have a rough outline, and you just need to do the work. Reps. So again, do that. Next, I don't want you to spend any money. For the first 500, might have been 600 or 700 videos that I've done, they were done on my phone. They were done on my phone with an Apple microphone. I don't know where it is, you know, the little earbuds with the little mic. It doesn't matter. In the beginning, when you are getting reps and you are getting practice, just do it. Don't delay. Don't say, oh, I will start recording when I get a camera. Oh, I will start recording when I get lights. Oh, I'll start recording when I get a microphone. Nonsense, nonsense, nonsense. Push record, tell your story, publish. Next, in the beginning, you can go back and look at my playlist. You can go back on my channel and look at my playlists. I had no idea what I wanted to do. I've done reaction videos, definitions, strategies, property walkthroughs, news of the day, trend surfing. Just try. Eventually, you will find what works for you. Now, again, telling you my story, so hopefully you can see your story. For me, I found two things that worked. One, I do a daily financial news show at 7:30 a.m., 5 days a week. For a long time, I did it 7 days a week, but now I do it 5 days a week. That works for me. Why? Because I've done it for 30 years. It is a habit. It was not net new to me. I wake up, I read the financial news. Now, the only thing that changed, I guess, is I take notes, right? I have little notes on them, and I tell the story. You can watch. I have a playlist called Daily Financial News. And then second, what worked for me, and I strongly recommend this for you, is find other people that share your passion. It is so much easier to just have a conversation, aka podcast, to use today's vernacular, instead of doing single head videos like I'm doing today. I will tell you this with 100% certainty. If I had to create all my videos like this, the channel would not exist. I was lucky enough to attract a Rolodex of 10 to 15 millionaires who have given me somewhere between 30 and 60 minutes a day, or a week, I should say. And we just talk about what is going on in their life, in their business, and in their environment. So again, that is what worked for me. Please find out what works for you. But again, get started. Don't delay. Start posting videos. Don't edit. Don't worry about perfection. Don't wait for technology. Don't wait until you have the perfect script. Just get going. If you want to understand how I took this YouTube channel and started making money with my brand, this is how it worked. YouTube, where you are watching this or potentially watching this today. You could be watching this on a podcast as well. First thing I want you to know about YouTube is I did not make any money on YouTube for 1,000 videos. Not 10, not 100, 1,000. It took me over 1,000 videos to get monetized. Just what it did, just what it took. But I did eventually get monetized, and now I think I just posted this on X or Twitter. You can go to One Rental at a Time on Twitter and see, I think it was 260 grand I've been paid on YouTube to date. From YouTube, I went and created my best-selling book. I had no idea it would be a best-selling book. I am not a gifted writer. It's not. In fact, if you were to take a poll of me at 18 about the things I'm least likely to do, writing a book or writing a best-selling book would have been probably very high on the list. That and probably dunking a basketball. Just not going to happen. That's where that was. Now, the book took 3 months to write, but it did take 5 or 6 months to edit. But again, self-published. on Amazon. Again, no book publisher, no backing, just self-published on Amazon. That bestseller took off, and that led to a course. I created a course on Teachable. It is basically a recipe. I have a course on Teachable, how to get started one rental at a time. It's $399. I created it once. I have added, I don't know, several sections, but the meat, the heart of the course is the same thing that I created in 2020 or whenever that came out. Next, I've built an audience, and that has led sponsors. I now have sponsors for my podcast, people that want to have ads on my podcast, and they can sponsor those. So again, building an audience brings sponsorship. I've done events. I've done both in-person, Fresno in Vegas, and virtual, done plenty of virtual events. And then finally, the thing that I am most proud of today is the brand One Rental at a Time has created a school community for real estate investors. It is often ranked as one of the top real estate investing schools. It is very active. It is $20. Again, folks, I am not trying to make a killing with this. I am just trying to keep the posers and the haters away, but also provide so much value that you think 67 cents a day is an easy to do. And that's what it costs, 67 cents a day to join school. So again, I'm trying to share with you how I do it so you can see how you do it. So now back to you. So what would I do if I were you in starting over? One, you need to get out of your head. Most of you are overthinking it. Now, again, I shared with you that this conversation came from a discussion with Omar. Folks, I don't know if you've seen it. If you have, go to the comment section. I am a frequent commenter on Omar's video, and it's because I wanted to see what was going on. You need to just publish. Record, publish. Don't edit. Too many of you are stuck on editing in perfection. It's too slow. It's too expensive. It's no fun. Record, publish, move on. You can do it. Next, if I were you, I would set a schedule, and I would not miss. I would not miss. If that means one video a week, so be it. If that means one video a day, so be it. Create a schedule and share it. Now, what should you discuss? Well, if maybe you've overcome a horrible life experience, death, divorce, surgery, whatever. Maybe you have a story to tell. Maybe you can help someone else. Maybe there's someone out there struggling with obesity or diabetes, or somebody who's gone through a divorce or lost a child, heaven forbid. I couldn't imagine. But maybe you've gone through something. There's a story there, and it will help people. Two, maybe you have a hobby. If you are over 40, I am willing to bet you have a hobby that you have had for a decade or more. Share it with the world. Maybe you are on a net new journey. Maybe you are on a health journey. You are on a wealth journey. Maybe you are on a relationship to find God. I don't know what it is, but you can document your story. People love to see authenticity, where you are, where you're going, where you've been. It is all of that. So now what do you need to do next? Let me give you the outline for your first 5 videos. Okay, your first 5 videos. Number 1, who are you? What is your channel about? Communicate your expected schedule once a day, once a week, 3 times a week, whatever it is, and ask your audience for feedback and questions. Always be open to that. Number 2, it's time to go deep. Go deep on whatever your story is. Is it a story of struggle and redemption? Is it a story of your hobby and your passion? Is it a story about why you are tackling this new endeavor? Number 3, find 3, 4, or 5 other creators in your space and create a video that did well on their channel. For example, if you were doing real estate, go find 10 real estate content creators, find a video or two on each that did well, and create your version. Folks, cheat. Copy someone else's homework. Again, I did an interview with Omar El Takari. In fact, the title of this video, this one right here, is the exact same title of Omar's video, on purpose. Omar's video has over 100,000 views. I would like to get a little love from that. So again, cheat, copy someone else's homework. And again, for the first 10, 15, 20 videos, if you wanted, you could simply copy other creators' good performing videos and create your own. Now, here's a bonus. And this was a cheat code for me, and I hope it is for you as well. I found people in my world, real estate investing, that were willing to give me an hour of their time every week. I have to tell you, creating content with other go-givers who have experience and are still in it is amazing and easy and a cheat code. So if you are lucky enough to be in a segment where you can find others, reach out, ask, network, DM, email, smoke signals, ask for referrals, whatever it takes. If you can find someone else to talk with you once a week about your passion, your struggle, your story, their story, it will be easy for you to create content. All right, folks, we're just about to wrap this up. Again, if you are over 40, I want to encourage you to get started, get out of your head, hit record, start adding value to the world and impact, and you will thoroughly enjoy this. Now, guess what? Time to do the work. Time to do the work. I want you to do what we have just talked about for 6 months. And don't look back. Don't overthink it. Don't judge yourself. Don't look at the metrics. Just do the work. Don't miss a day. If you do it once a day, so be it. If you do it once a week, so be it. Just do the work. At the end of 6 months, you can reevaluate. Are you having fun? Is it what you thought it would be? Are there other areas you want to go down? Are there other people you want to talk to? And then I just want to give you a little bit of encouragement. Earlier, I told you that the brand One Rental at a Time made over $1 million. But here is another truth. For 1 year, 1,000 videos, I made a whopping $1,800. The brand One Rental at a Time made $1,800 in its first year. Folks, I am no genius at math. That's $150 a month. Folks, if you are chasing impact, it will start slow. It will start slow. In fact, something I did years ago is I created a chart where it showed that I made $1,800 year one. I think I made $110,000 year two, 200 and some year three, and the story goes on from there. If you are chasing impact, it will grow slow, but it will be worth it. Please chase impact. We already have enough people preaching fear and doom and crash and negativity. Don't be a doom porn creator. We do not need any doom porn created. We already have enough. If you chase impact, money will come. All righty, folks, let me know what you think. What did you think of this talking head video? I do not do a lot of these. I want to once again shout out Omar. I will go find his video and put the link below because it was an awesome discussion. Take care. Have an amazing day. Later. Oh, yeah. Like, subscribe, comment. See, I told you this was done live. Bye.